Welcome! In this lecture, we're going to practice the R sound. To make the R sound, bring the tip of your tongue up and curved, but not touching the roof of your mouth. Now, Jenny is going to show us how to make this sound.
Ra, ra, ra. Ra, ra, ra. Ra, ra, ra.
The R sound is very strong, just like the R in the word red. Red. The key sound for this lecture is R. R. Let's practice this key sound. I'll speak the green text like this. R. R. You should speak when you see the gray text like this. Get ready. R, 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 r. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Next, let's practice some words that have the R sound at the beginning of the word. Rake, 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 rake. Red, 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 red. Rice, 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 rice. Rock, 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 rock. Rug, 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 rug. Next, let's practice some words that have the R sound in the middle of the word. Arrive, 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 arrive. Bury, 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 bury. Correct, 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 correct. Erect, 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 erect. Fry, 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 fry. Next, let's practice some words that have the R sound at the end of the word. Beggar, 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 beggar. Former, 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 former. Lever, 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 lever. Pastor, 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 pastor. Hover, 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 hover. Finally, let's practice some sentences that have words using the R sound. Rich is the pastor. Rich is the pastor. Rich is the pastor. Rich is the pastor. Harry has the poster. Harry has the poster. Harry has the poster. Harry has the poster. Ray is a rock star. 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 This batter is better. This batter is better. This batter is better. This batter is better. That rice is red. That rice is red. That rice is red. That rice is red. Congratulations! You have completed this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to look at L and R together. See you then.